How to remove time limit on Snapchat? It is possible, it is not possible. Let's find out now, okay? First of all, I will point out that I'm doing the process on my Android, but it's the same process on any phone and on your iPhone too, okay? It is the same process. So first of all, you need to log on the Snapchat and log into your account. Then, if we click to take a picture, you will see right here this button. If you click on this button, you will see right here the seconds of the photo, okay? If you swipe down, you will see no limit. So you need to mark no limits, okay? Then you removed the time limit on Snapchat. Now, if you want to remove the time limit on your video, okay, on your story, I will tell you that it's impossible, okay? You just can remove the time limit on pictures on Snapchat. On videos, it is impossible. I hope I help you how to remove time limits on Snapchat. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive its footsteps.